Next circuit, next circuit.
My lord.
So, your lordship, the for basic second time has been added erroneously and due to which your lordship, the communication letter is already denied to state your lordship.
Come on.
Lordship, may I permit?
Give it, give it,
Mention.
give it. Who is on the other side? Give me the order. So all three. Why then you must have committed the mistake. So in these orders, then it should not have been corrected.
It had been, there was, because I have given different seven and there may be the PhD has appeared on the last case is already generated.
देखिए Ashur. All should be DPSC Jalpaiguri, but nobody appeared. No advocate appeared. They appeared. Oh, they appeared. Then again DPSC Kuch Bihar. Oh. Ashur. আমাদের কেন করা যাবে না? ও তাহলে তো হবে না। You get it mentioned before the next bench. Ask them to be no. ঠিক আছে, এটা সাপ্লিমেন্টারি লিস্ট করে দিন।
My lord.
Supplementary করে দিন।
My lord, yesterday in one of the matter, my appearance was not noted.
Sir, that corrections again I cannot do. Whatever I
My lord,
could do
since
on
I'm for the
last-
state,
no,
my lord,
no,
kindly,
no,
my lord, it is
no, sir, no, sir.
my
That I cannot
just-
reopen again. Again, supplementary list, again order, again server. No, last day, no, sir. I'm
my
very
lord
sorry.
my lord has
I'm
directed
very
to,
sorry. Better on the next time, I will give your name twice in one matter.
my lord, kindly, my lord.
No,
Lordship, may I
Since the
permit?
supplementary
one
list
matter?
is been,
Lordship, inclusion in the list, next available service, top of the
sorry, no.
list. Next available service.
Sorry, no. আচ্ছা ওই এইটা সাপ্লিমেন্টারি তিনটেই করবেন, কোনো টাইম দেওয়ার ব্যাপার নেই। আমি যেই শেষ করবো এটা ওটা নিয়ে নেবো।
Lordship, is
ঠিক
urgent.
আছে, কি অসুবিধা কি বলুন না। সাপ্লিমেন্টারি তো আপনি লিস্টটা করিয়ে দিন না, করলেই রিকুইজিশনটা করে দিন। আরে দেরি হবে না, বলুন না যে জজ সাহেব বলেছি লিস্টটা এক্ষুনি শেষ হবে তারপর নিয়ে নেন।
Lordship is urgent, Lordship.
Sorry, no. Next. Yes. Sorry. Take out application, whatever you
Yes.
do. No, nothing. You come on with the
Lordship,
application.
inclusion next available service, Lordship.
Whatever you have corrected, the corrected copies have been typed out. Yes, nothing doing. Next. You take out application before other next bench. Yes, next. Please, the home.
my lord, kindly, my lord, since my lord
Please,
is taking out the supplementary
Please,
list,
the home.
let it be added, my lord. And my lord, there was one
Why to be
urgent matter
mentioned?
yesterday.
This extension of interim order.
Extension of interim. Where is the
But I'm
petitioner?
for the petitioner, my lord. This is for extension of interim order. Item number
Where is
1.
the petitioner?
I am for the petitioner.
Acha. When it is expiring, show me.
But it is expired on 26th.
26th.
My
Acha.
lord.
The writ petition appears under the heading to be mentioned at the instance of the petitioner for extension of interim order. Full stop. Paragraph. Mr. Devashish Shah, Devabroto, oh, now who is there?
I am led by Mr.
Pingal
Devabroto, sir. I am
Mr. Pingal Bhattacharya, learned advocate, bracket VC, appears for the petitioner. Paragraph. Mr. Bikash Singho, learned advocate, appears for the state.
Sir, led by Mr. Navangur Pal. He is on VC.
Mr. Nobankur Pal, আগে learned advocate, bracket a VC, with Mr. Bikash Shingo, learned advocate, appears for the state. Paragraph. The interim order last extended on
On-
July 31, 2025.
My-
Sorry, not extended, not extended.
Yes. Yes.
না extended. কি বললাম? Last extended on July 31, 2025 is still in existence till September 26, 2025. And the same stands further extended till December 15, 2025 or until further order, whichever is earlier.
But
There was
I'm led
direction
by
to
Mr.
file
Deobrata
opposition.
Sahara.
Well, we shall affirm it by next week, my lord. But it has been vetted, my lord.
Ashun. Time to, on the prayer of Mr. Pal, time to file affidavit in opposition stands parentarily extended till September 20, 2025.
You must also extend the time period for filing reply,
The-
if any.
Paragraph, the affidavit in reply shall be filed by November 18, 2025.
Grateful, lordship.
But I'm led by Mr. Deobrata Sahara.
Where is he? He is not appearing.
He is in another court. He's on his leg, my lord.
ওই কোনদিন কি লিখলেন? VC led by Mr. Devobrata Sahara, learned
Grateful,
senior
much
advocate.
much obliged.
My
এই
lord,
বাবা ওই 3টে ফাইল আনিয়ে দাও তো, আর ঝট করে ওটা একটা সাপ্লিমেন্টারি করে দাও, আমি এই লিস্টে শেষ করে ওটা নিয়ে নেবো, নিয়ে উঠে যাবো।
my lord, kindly add mine also in
Next.
the supplementary
Hey,
list.
what is this now? Better I rise. চল, it's time to rise, sir.
Applauding, my lord.
Every time I cooperated, but even if this thing is to be done now today, every time I cooperated, sir. Please don't. Yes. Next.
I beg to approve of the state lordship along with Mr. Pradip Sarkar.
Lordship, I am
Please
for the
appear
state,
virtual.
Lordship.
Bedasruti Bose, Pradeep Sarkar for the state.
Lordship, I am for the state.
Who is for the state? Mr. Bikash Shingo.
With Nabankur Pal.
With
Nabankur Pal.
Nabankur Pal, learned advocate. With to হবে না, Mr. Nabankur Pal, learned advocate, bracket VC, with Bikash Shingo, learned advocate. Next. Who is appearing?
Nabankur Pal because.
Nabankur Pal, Bikash Shingo. Who is for the state? Completed. Very well. Mr.
For the state, my lord.
Oh, Mr. Kumar Shantanu, learned advocate, bracket VC for the state. 6, who is for the state? Mr. Shubhi Shah, learned additional government pleader. With Mr. Saurabh Sarkar, learned advocate. Next. Next. One matter. Yes, Mr. Raman.
Yes. With Mr. Sandeep.
No, I'm saying in one matter, Who is there?
মমিনুর রহমান সন্দীপ গোরা
Mominur Rahman, Shandip Bohra. Next. Who is for the state? Hirok Bormon
প্রত্যুষা
with Pratyusha Datta Chaudhary.
প্রীতম দাস উইথ বিকাশ সিংহ
Pritam Das, Vikas Singh. Mr. Shubir Kumar Saha with Mr. Kumar Shantanu. Learned advocate. Bracket VC. আমার ডিকে ডিকে অ্যাপিয়ার করাচ্ছে এমএস রেজশ্রুতি বোস লার্নের অ্যাডভোকেট উইথ
পত্রলেখা চৌধুরী
পত্রলেখা
চৌধুরী
লার্নের অ্যাডভোকেট
And 12, we are for the, I'm for the state, my lord, with Pradeep Sarkar.
নবাঙ্কুর পাল
I'm for the
প্রদীপ
state.
সরকার
Grateful Lordship.
সুমিত কুমার বিকাশ সিংহ মাই অর্ডার Who is there for the state? 14. Mr. Kumar Shantanu, learned advocate, bracket AVC.
Biplov like that.
Who is there? Mr. Shubir Kumar Saha, learned additional government leader with MS Rima Sarkar, learned advocate.
মমিনুর রহমান উইথ সৌরভ সরকার মমিনুর রহমান উইথ সৌরভ সরকার
Yes. Who is there?
প্রীতম দাস পত্রলেখা চৌধুরী বেদশ্রুতি ঘোষ and প্রত্যুষা দত্ত চৌধুরী Excuse me.
Thank you.
Great for the lunch.
Who is there? Novankur Pal, bracket VC, Vikas Singh.
Grateful Lordship.
Nayanar,
অনির্বাণ ব্যানার্জি, সন্দীপ গুহা।
Mominur Rahman,
কুমার শান্তনু।
Kumar
Kumar
Shantanu.
Shantanu.
Learned AGP, Kumar Shantanu.
কোনটা?
Item number 22, my lord.
22. Shubir
Learned
Kumar
AGP.
Saha, Learned AGP, Kumar Shantanu, VC.
হীরক হীরক বর্মন with সৌরভ সরকার।
Hirak Barbon, Saurabh Sarkar. Next,
প্রীতম দাস with প্রদীপ সরকার।
Pridam Das, Pradeep Sarkar.
Grateful lordship.
এই আস্তে কথা বলতে বল। সিঙ্গেল পি কে আছে?
মমিনুর রহমান, বিকাশ সিংহ।
Spell out your names, otherwise it will not be following. Next,
বেদশ্রুতি বাসু।
Kumar Shantanu also. No, three, with Kumar Shantanu.
My lord.
Next,
Coaches.
Melod 27, Melod 27, I am for the petitioner, Melod. This is transfer application, Melod. But I have corrected the order. My junior handed over the order. Inter
show
district.
it to him. And fill it up. Who is appearing for whom? Fill it up. DPSC.
Yes.
DPSC Jalpaiguri.
Yes, Melod.
Who is there?
হীরক বর্মন and রিমা শাহ।
DPSC Jalpaiguri.
সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলি।
Saurabh Ganguly. না না আরেকজন আছে।
Rishita Chakraborty.
Rishita Chakraborty. Where is Mr. Saurabh Ganguly? Madam, take time but give the names properly. আচ্ছা এইগুলো সব দেবাশিসকে পাঠিয়ে দিতে বলো। চলে গেছে? এক্সেলেন্ট।
Next, Melod, item 28 is same.
Give names, give names.
So I'm with Kumar Shantanu, my lord, in this matter.
Give names and DPSC.
Saurabh Ganguly.
Saurav Ganguly and Rishita Chakraborty.
Yes.
And before Devojit Kundu in bracket VC.
In this matter,
29, my lord, same, my lord.
he joined school in the year 2021 and the reasons given is any other reasons for transfer. No particular reasons has not been mentioned in the petition.
So,
I am submitting.
no. So any other reason. So let it be considered. What?
Yes, my lord. Distance
Okay.
grounds, my lord, inter-district
2021.
and surplus.
2000
21. Yes, Josh. He has joined.
application made.
Yeah,
Past-
appointed.
Huh?
He was appointed on 2021.
Oh, 5 years has not been done.
Not complete.
My lord, my lord, inter-district, my lord, 5 years not required, my lord.
Oh, inter-district.
And my lord, distance,
No
distance, my
reasons
lord.
mentioned in the writ petition.
All right.
Application
Consider,
considered, my lord.
if you don't find eligible, give reason and dismiss. Reject it. I have
Yes.
just given a direction for consideration. Keeping
Yes,
fit
yes,
will
madam.
not do. Acha, DPSC?
Jalpaiguri, my lord.
Acha. And Mr. Shubir Kumar Sahan and an additional government pleader with MS? Give
Pratyusha
a
Datta, sir.
write down. না কারেক্ট করে দিক দিদি অর্ডারে করে দিক কারেক্ট লাস্ট দিন নালে আবার ভুল হলে মুশকিল হবে ওদের নিজেদের হাতে লেখা থাক তাতে ভুল হলে আর আমাদের কোনো দায়িত্ব নেই Take your seat. Why are you standing?
Item 30, Mr. Lahiri is here.
Is my order? Which
My lord, I am
DPS?
for the School Service Commission.
Oh, secondary. Acha, Sunit
Secondary.
Kumar Ray, given. Acha, for the state, you should not omit your name. Check it out.
Application is pending before the District Inspector of School. Let it be considered by the DI.
সেইভাবেই করা আছে একবার দেখে নি তাও দেখিনি Oh, in your matter it has been done last yes তো ওর ম্যাটারই হয়েছে দিয়ে দে Thank you, Mr. Ray. বেরিয়েছে সাপ্লিমেন্টারি হ্যাঁ কোথায় গেল কারেকশন চাইছিল সাপ্লিমেন্টারি লিস্ট হ্যাজ বিন পাবলিশড স্টেট give it to them আচ্ছা মিস্টার সুনীত কুমার রে yes and state
Matter is pending for the commission. Secretary of the may be directed to consider.
Huh?
School Service Commission. Transfer application has reached before the Central School Service
that's
Commission.
all right I have stated
Smaller
jurisdictional authority
Secretary of the Commission.
I have stated the
Great.
jurisdictional authority
Great.
$32, sir. Oh, division made. So same order. Right.
Lordship, Mr. Bishwas appearing, Lordship. For board, Lordship. Next circuit.
Taken care of. Mr. Atul Vishwas for the board. Yes. And it is for the satisfaction of the junior. She will go and tell her junior that yes, I'm giving. How can I forget my junior days? Thank you so much. Which DPSC? কি জানো appear করবে? সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলি. And.
Lordship, Mr.
Rishita.
Bish,
Submitter.
Mr. Bish was appearing Lordship also.
Oh, which one? এই আগেরটা দেখি আগেরটা কি অর্ডার দেখি ডাকতে বলুন সিরিয়াল নাম্বার কত 32 অর্ডারটা আনতে বলুন yes next just wait for a few minutes এসে গেছে দিদি থ্যাংক ইউ আচ্ছা আমার লোকগুলো কোথায় গেল এখানে চা তুলতে পেরেছি ওইটা দিন 1 second 32 ডিপিএসসি ওদের দিন ওরা করে দেবে ইউ আর ডিপিএসসি এই কোথায় this DPSC who Mousumi Bawal
My lord, in 34, my lord, I am appearing, my lord, for DPSC.
all right correct it Mousumi Bawal VC or Ratul Bishwas for the board VC you have written next
35, I'm for the state with Mr. Pradeep Shah.
My lord, I am appearing for the DPSC Kuch Bihar, my lord.
Achha, you write down the name state Novankur Pal Pradeep Sarkar
35, Lordship, Mr. Bishwas.
wait আস্তে করুন নবাঙ্কুর পাল প্রদীপ বিশ্বাস ফর স্টেট
Pradeep
সরকার ফর স্টেট রাতুল বিশ্বাস ফর বোর্ড আচ্ছা আর ডিপিএসসি কুচবিহার give where is Jalpaiguri DPSC the junior will also not be there where has she gone you will also not be here you are not appearing your senior will not be there you will not be here then keep a junior
My lord, apology, my lord. Item number 36. I'm for the respondent number 7, my lord.
give the names 36
What are they?
Item 37, my lord, I am for the petitioner. My junior handed over the notes of correction or correct order.
I'm for the vote.
Give the name. Board Ratul Vishwas. State.
I am
And could be a DPSC, Mr.
Pritam Sarkar. Pritam Das with
দেখ সব কটা দেখ
and my lord, I am for the DPSC Kuch Bihar.
your junior is here. He is giving the name. Thirty-eight. Which DPSC?
Uh,
And Kuch Bihar DPSC. my lord.
Chairman,
Mousumi Bhawan.
Chairman, Coach Bihar DPSC consider my application inter-district transfer within same district.
Okay, who you have corrected the order, and for the
Yes, yes,
board,
yes.
Ratul Vishwas.
Lordship, board is not necessary,
No,
inter-district.
is a board is a party.
Be-
Board is a party.
Yes,
Give
party,
his
my
name.
lord.
Give his
Yes,
name.
yes.
Ratul Vishwas. If board is a party, his name should go.
Lordship.
Which DPSC?
Kuch Bihar, Lord.
Write down.
My lord, Kuch Bihar, my lord.
Mominur Rahman with Pradeep Sarkar. Write down, slowly. And board is a party?
Yes,
Ratul
yes, party.
Ratul Vishwas. Aste aste, liko. Ratul Vishwas.
Stay, Lord.
You have written
Yes, Lord.
Ratul Vishwas, board. And you appear for Kuch Bihar.
Yes, yes.
Give your name.
Yes.
40 my lord, I am for the petitioner.
My lord, I am for the state
Intra-district transfer.
along with learned AGP.
Subir Kumar Saha, learned additional government pleader with, give the name. Kumar Shantanu, give the name, write down. Subir Kumar Saha, AGP with Kumar Shantanu, VC. See to it. Board Ratul Vishwas.
Yes, my lord.
And which DPSC?
My lord,
Kuch
Kuch
Bihar
Bihar.
DPSC.
Where is the junior? You are there. You are not there. You are there.
My lord, item number?
Item number 40.
40.
40.
Item number 40, is it
Mr.
a
MS
DPSC?
Mousumi Bhawal, learned advocate, bracket VC for Kuch Bihar DPSC. Give the name. You also give him name.
My lord, I am appearing for the board.
Ratul Vishwas.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, your name is there.
My lord.
Next, correct the
40
names. Correct the names. Write down the names.
41, my lord, DPSC Kuch Bihar.
Yes, 41 my lord, same. Intra-district transfer.
Yes.
No, you write down your name there. It is
Yes,
written.
already.
All right.
Already.
And state?
You have one more Vikas.
Only state is required. Get full.
Not I am for the first one.
42, my lord, I am for the petitioner.
Correct it. Name.
Lordship, name has been corrected.
42 Lordship, board also there, Lordship.
Board, Mr. Ratul
Ratul
Vishwas,
Vishwas,
Jalpaiguri.
Ratul Vishwas,
Lordship.
and DPSC Jalpaiguri.
Lordship.
You have written on the order itself. You write down.
জেরক্স কপিটা দিয়ে গেছে
শুভজিৎ
DPSC Alipurduar Manan.
Board Mr. Ratul বিশ্বাস appear.
Who appears?
Lordship is a DPSC in Siliguri, Lordship.
DPSC Siliguri.
Siliguri, Lordship. It's appear.
আচ্ছা বোর্ডের হয়ে রাতুল বিশ্বাস।
Ratul Vishal, Lordship.
State, give your names. And DPSC Siliguri, who is there? None appears.
Tara Prasad Chaudhary and
No, they are not here.
হ্যাঁ,
They are not appearing.
my lord, my lord.
Who is not appearing, don't give the name.
Lordship.
Strike it out, strike it out. DPSC, strike it out. None appears for DPSC.
Right.
একটা লাইন লিখে রাখবেন, none appears for DPSC. শিলিগুড়ি। Next.
Forty-four Lordship, I'm for the petitioner Lordship.
Which?
DPSC Alipurduar.
Correct the order then. Write down in the order.
and board lordship.
Ratul বিশ্বাস for the board.
Yes, Lordship. Ratul Vishal.
And state?
Lordship, state Lordship, we went to the GP office Lordship, but they refused it. So we have the copy, so we can serve it Lordship.
Dekhi, give the copy to him.
Why it was ignored in the office? Why? We just submitted that the GP office they have returned. Why? What was the reason? Time limitation. Yes, beyond time we have. Anyway.
Mr. Subish Shah, learned additional government pleader with Mr. Kumar Shantanu. With Mr. Kumar Shantanu. Bracket VC. Serial number 44.
My lord.
Give in name.
Yes, sir.
Next. Next. আচ্ছা সব নাম লেখা আছে?
নাম তো লেখা আছে, এক্সট্রা করে প্লিজ। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, একসাথে দিয়ে দিব তো?
You have checked up
Yes, ma'am.
all the names?
Alipurduar DPSC Lordship, he is appearing.
Give them, let them fill up all the names. Mr. Atul বিশ্বাস for this board.
Board Lordship.
It is written.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, my lord.
The same.
State has not been.
Mr. Sumit Kumar. With. And Mr. Atul বিশ্বাস for board and DPSC.
Alipurduar. Yes. 45. Grateful. Lordship.
46, I'm for the petitioner.
Mr. Hirok Burman along with Kumar Shantanu.
What is this? Don't appear like this. Sorry. Mr. Ratul বিশ্বাস. This is not the drawing room.
My lord, for the state, Hirok Burman and Kumar Shantanu.
Hirok Burman, Kumar Shantanu. Give all the names. This is not the way.
No, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord. My lord, this is, my lord.
নাম দিয়ে দিয়েছো? Given.
47.
ও এটা হয়ে গেল পুরো মাছ পাঠিয়ে দিন এবার মাথায় অ্যাপ্লাই করতে হবে বস ইয়েস
Number 54 also is a transfer.
so all right
And
let it be called on when we will call when it will be called on yes
he can also
what is the matter
Lordship, the matter is the petitioner is an unfortunate husband. His wife.
who is not next
Lordship, yesterday also this matter has been mentioned.
Yes, my lord. His wife met with an accident, and after that she was taken to the district hospital. She met with an accident. She fell down from the first floor of the balcony of the first floor. She sustained some injury. She was taken to the district hospital.
come on
And
come to the core of
now
the
what
issue
the
Lordship, they are not getting the
We are not-
post-mortem report. Yesterday they have mentioned as Lordship.
so why don't you give it
Lordship, actually, we are not the concern authority. The concern authority is the Mr. Rajiv Prasad, who is the respondent number
the respondent number 4 and 5.
4 and 5, Lordship.
Respondent number
why they are not giving
without any reason.
why
Lordship, as per our police report is that some autopsy report is required. And after receiving that report, they will issue.
they will issue
Lordship,
Yeah.
autopsy report is generally required when there is an allegation from any of the party or there is an allegation. There has been no allegation. It is a normal case of unnatural death, my lord.
wait listen to my order the core grievance of the writ petitioner what's your name
Amit Shah. Amit Shah.
Oh, Amit Shaha. Learned advocate appears for the petitioner. MS Bedosruti Bose, learned counsel.
Led by Mr. Subir Kumar.
Mr. Shubir Kumar Shaha, learned additional government pleader with Mr. MS Bedosruti Bose, learned counsel appears for the state. The sole grievance of the petitioner is that the wife of the petitioner has suffered a death by way of a road accident.
No. He actually fell down from the balcony of the first
Oh,
floor.
has suffered an unnatural death. বলতে যাবো না কারণ ক্রিমিনাল ট্রায়ালে প্রেজুডিস হয়ে যাবে has suffered an unnatural death as alleged. The postmortem has been done. Full stop. The dead body has been cremated. Comma, yet the postmortem certificate
What are the
postmortem report has not been provided to the petitioner till date. The cremation took place on
Cremation took place on 17/6/2025. 17 June.
June 17, 2025.
Yes, my lord.
Bold.
June 7.
There is no explanation from the state.
Lordship, we are not the main party, Lordship.
I'm
in
coming.
this matter.
Wait. There is no explanation from the state why the postmortem report has not yet been provided since after June 19, 2025.
It is the respondent.
Loose, full stop. Learned counsel for the state submits that it is the responsibility of the respondent number 4 and 5.
Not 4, Lordship, only 5.
Respondent number 5
Yes.
to issue the postmortem report and to explain his conduct as to why till date the same has not been furnished. Paragraph. You have served on 5. Paragraph. The respondent number 5 is not represented by the state council. Full stop. The respondent number 5 is not at all represented otherwise also, comma, despite notice. Paragraph. The facts are shocking. The fact is shocking. Full stop. The cremation took place on June 19, 20,
June 17.
June 17, 2025. ওই উপরে June 17 হবে। But till date, the post-mortem report has not been provided. Paragraph. The respondent number 5 is directed to provide the post-mortem report after carrying all necessary formalities, comma, if not carried already, required to be carried strictly in accordance with law, and then to make over the post-mortem report to the petitioner positively within 72 working hours. 72 working hours from the date of communication of this order. কি বললাম পুরো?
হ্যাঁ, পুলিশ কে-
After carrying all certain formalities, comma, if not carried already, were to be carried strictly in accordance with law and take to be over the legal report to the petition positive decision within 40 hours of the.
Lordship, it, one small indulgence, it will be forwarded to the respondent number 3 and from there they will get.
Responding to the inspector.
Inspector in charge. Respondent number 5 will forwarded it to the respondent number 3.
কি বললাম একটু পড়ুন। They are directed to transmit and send the PM report
After carrying all certain formalities, comma, not carried already, were carried strictly in accordance with law and take to be over.
and then আরেকবার পড়ুন। After carrying all these to the respondent number 3 positively within 72 working hours from the date of communication of this order. Full stop. Paragraph. The respondent number 3 then shall hand over the post-mortem report after carrying out all the necessary formalities. Upon compliance of all necessary formalities required under the law to the petitioner
Yes.
positively within 1 day from the date of receipt of the PM report
Lordship, kindly allow it.
from
with
the
two-
respondent
Lordship,
number
actually,
5.
There is certain formalities and Lordship,
Some has to carry out.
because they have to get the, they will get, only get the
2
certified
days,
copy.
2 days.
Yes, Lordship.
What
Grateful.
certified copy?
They will
will-
get the certified copy. Actually, original PM report supposed to be
Kept.
kept with that.
Huh. That's
The
right.
copy is to be and a copy.
2 days.
The copy after we
2 days,
distribute
2
that.
days,
Yes,
2
Lordship.
days. Full stop, paragraph. This direction is peremptory and mandatory.
Grateful.
Paragraph. With the above, since affidavits are not called for, the allegations made in this writ petitions are deemed not to have been admitted by the respondents. Paragraph. With the above observation and direction, this writ petition bold করে দেবেন, stands disposed of without any order as to cost.
Grateful.
For the petitioners.
Yes,
The petitioners are
take the
candidates,
microphone.
the petitioners are candidates for a recruitment examination for the post of Constable General Duty in the Central Armed Police Forces and for riflemen in the Assam Rifles.
Ah.
And they have participated in the test and they have already qualified in the eligibility requirements.
Show me the medical report.
My lord, the height was wrongly measured.
Medical, show me.
Yes,
show
my
me.
lord, takes up, my lord, this is the page number, my lord, takes up annexure P2 first, my lord. My lord, takes up annexure P2. My lord, this is the height that has been measured for the respective respondents, my lord, begins at page 19. 19. My lord, takes the name of the candidate,
No, you show me your candidate.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, all are Minal Rai.
Yes,
How many with petitioner?
my lord, 5 big petitioners.
5 with petitioner, 5 were measured wrongly.
Yes, my lord. Subsequently, we went to the district hospital. We got our height measured. The minimum height requirement was 170 centimeters in the for the
Where is that?
my lord, takes up the
Page 19.
yes, page 19. My lord takes up the name of the candidate.
Minal.
My lord takes up the height that is at serial number 8.
Yes.
My lord, that's the first column.
169.4.
Yes. And that has been wrongly measured, my lord.
Why you are saying wrongly measured?
Because my height was previously I had appeared in the last year's examination also. There my height was measured to be 170.5 by the same authority. And my lord, the other candidates, they are the first time appearing. My lord, the next page, page number
No,
20.
I've seen that.
Page number 20 is Mithun Burman.
Is there any provision? Who is appearing for Assam Rifle?
Union.
Is there any provision for application of review?
We need
My lord,
instruction.
my lord, appellate authority within the same day, my lord. We had a, my lord,
Some instruction is required.
But when one second. When is the selection process fixed?
it is going on currently.
When is the closing date of the
I
selection process?
think copy has not been served.
Copy has been served. I have the affidavit of service.
No, but on. But let him take instruction.
My lord, the physical eligibility test, that is the height test,
Ah.
would be the information that I have is currently going on. Is
No, I am on the other. I have lot of my orders on this.
my lord.
Not only height, there were chest, there was elbow. There is a review provision.
Yes, my lord, no, there is an appeal provision. My lord takes page
Appeal
number
provision. So you go and prefer
my
that.
lord, already preferred. My lord takes up page number 19.
Ah.
My lord takes up the bold after the column, takes up the bold letters.
No,
If you are not
well, let us go one by one.
my lord,
So page 19.
yes, my lord, after
Acha.
the column,
If you are not satisfied
Yes.
with the ground of rejection, PST only, then you may prefer appeal.
in writing to the appellate authority on the same day.
আচ্ছা আমার
This
ওই
has been-
বিকাশ ভট্টাচার্য সাহেবের মামলায় যে
It was formally rejected.
no, show me the appellate order.
Nothing issued for nothing in writing issued to us. We were only told that your appeal has been rejected.
No, how you have told?
But we were the candidates were formally told. They were informed that your appeal has been
You have
rejected.
preferred the appeal.
Yes, my lord. On
So
the
very
same
well.
day. That
I will direct that to provide you the appellate order, appellate decision within 1 week.
well, it is the same decision that the appeal authority has taken.
I tell you why. Let us now be on the law. Because first medical report, just for reference, I'm telling you. First medical report, let's say, says 169.4.
Yes.
You have a right to appeal.
Yes.
You preferred an appeal. The appellate decision says 169.4 or even less, unless it crosses 170, which is the barrier.
Lordship.
The court shall not interfere. That's the law. It's a report of the expert.
My height was measured by the same authority to be more than 170.
No, maybe. Then it will call for affidavit.
But takes up page number 24 once. But takes up page number 24. Annexure
Yes.
P3.
Yes.
My lord, this is the same authority. I appeared last year in the same examination. My lord, kindly takes note of the height that has been measured in the first column. My lord, my name is Minal Rai.
Minal Rai.
My lord, my height has been measured as 170.5 and qualified is the tick mark against that.
Wait, 170. কোথায় গেল?
My third column.
Yes, once, no.
170.5.
170.5.
Yes, qualified. This is the same authority which measured my height last year to be
So
170.5.
why, if you have qualified last year, why you have not joined?
Subsequently, other tests I could not qualify.
Ach.
Running and all that on merit. This is the same authority which measured my height last time to be.
And what about for the other petitioner?
Other petitioners, my lord, they did not appear last year examination. They are the fresh candidates. My lord, they have measured their heights before the subsequent to the rejection.
For the other petitioners?
Subsequent to the rejection, my lord, they have already.
No, that will not cut the ice. That is not the law.
They have gone to
I tell you why. Let us be
Lordship.
discuss. It's
Lordship.
nothing, but it's an
Lordship.
exchange. At the end of the day, it is an exchange of intellect. Nothing more than that.
Lordship.
Suppose the appellate authority comes with a finding, let's say same finding or less than that,
Lordship.
a disqualifying finding.
No, Lordship.
You can go to 200 hospitals and get a report. That will not save your skin. That's the law. Because the authority, selection authority, they also form their medical team with medical experts.
Lordship.
So that cannot be doubted. Fine. That's the law. That's the law. That's the law. Matter ends.
Well, then
And I have delivered my judgments upheld.
Well, then in case of the petitioner number 1.
Yes. So what I can do, a little extension of my elbow in equitable jurisdiction.
Lordship.
Since the last year finding by the same authority is there,
Yes.
which is different from this year,
Yes.
I will send that. I will say that you publish the appellate decision within 7 days, and also if the appellate decision goes against the petitioner, then they shall be again examined by the same authority.
Grateful, Lordship. Grateful.
And
Lordship.
other petitioners,
All I want is an opportunity to be
no.
not in respect to other petitioners, but in petitioner number 1.
One
to be
yes,
examined.
one yes, because one there is a finding.
Yes, so in respect of petitioner number.
So little indulgence, little equity can be shown.
Lordship.
But
That is
for
all
the
I
others,
want.
no.
That is all I want.
আসুন ইস আমার জাজমেন্টটা হ্যাঁ চেষ্টা করছে একটু দেখুন তো ও হতে পারে না দেখুন মিস্টার বিকাশ রঞ্জন ভট্টাচার্য সিনিয়র অ্যাডভোকেট আছেন, তাহলে ওটাই দাও, দেখি দাও। মেডিকেল এক্সপার্টের ওইটুকু ইকুইটি আমি দেখ, ইয়েস ইট ক্যান মে বি এক্সারসাইজ, বাট আমি একবার দেখাও, দেখিয়ে সাহেবকে দিই। ওয়েট ফর ফিউ। You don't know.
So actually, your copy has not been received.
That's the petition. By my judgment is there. You are appearing. এটা কি দিচ্ছে বাবা? লিস্টের প্রিন্ট আউট দিচ্ছে তো। ঠিক আছে, সে দিয়েছো। ঠিক আছে, দাও। আরে এটা নিয়ে মনে নেই কত হলো, লটকে লট পিটিশন আমি উড়িয়েছি। And went up to চিফ সাহেবের কাছে গেল, ট্যান্ডন সাহেবের কাছে গেছিল, প্রথমে সব আপে দেখে নিচ্ছি। You just keep this judgment and read loudly paragraph 7. That's the law laid down. Then facts, you look at it.
Lordship.
Dear Insha'Allah. You take the number, it will be helpful for your future matters. Go straightway read paragraph 17, then you read the facts afterwards. I have marked it. Sticker. Paragraph 17. Read loudly.
The law is well settled Court cannot sit in appeal on a decision and opinion of experts. Neither the court can substitute an expert's opinion. The court seldom interferes with an expert's opinion unless an ex facie malafide arbitrariness or inconsistency is there on the face of the expert's opinion. This is not such a case.
Then you will read the fact, same thing has happened. Same thing has happened. But here I have also passed interim order in 2 matters. They were also upheld. Where Mr. Rahman,
Yes, ma'am.
I have passed 2 interim orders which were also upheld. Where what happened? First medical test, let's say 5 feet.
Yes.
Second medical test, the review or the appeal says 5.2 or 4.9. Then I said these are the inconsistency between the same board opinion. So I sent it for Alipur Command Hospital to get a report. But this is not such a case. This is not such a case. Disqualification, no, measurement doesn't matter. 160, let's say 160 inch, your medical board. Appeal 159 inch, but still disqualified, matter ends. But if it says, appeal says more, fair enough, you are through. But if the variations are there, then it would have been sent for. ঠিক আছে আসুন।
And I was relying on a single judge, coordinate bench's order of this honorable court.
Yes.
Passed by Justice Arindam Mukherjee.
Yes. I dealt with that.
This is the.
I dealt
may I
with
get the
I dealt with
my
that.
lord,
I distinguished that.
Wherein his lordship was pleased to send it for.
But my view is that no, inconsistency, yes.
This is in respect of petitioner number 1. There is.
That's right. So that's why I'm entertaining petitioner number 1.
Lordship.
Asha.
my lord, can I get the WPA number?
Keep it. Keep it with you.
My lord, can I get the
এটাও দিয়ে
WPA
দিন
number?
ওনাকে। Keep it with you.
Grateful, Lordship.
There are 5 writ petitioners who are.
I have been informed that in respect of the other petitioners, the court fees have not been paid. I understand.
That I have seen. They are not getting relief. কি বললাম? Relief দিলে দিয়ে দিতাম। Relief পেলে দিয়ে দিতাম। দিতে হতো। ওদিক দিয়ে মার দেন।
My lord, may I get that WPA number which my lord has referred?
5 individual writ petitioners. Who all of them were are aspirants for the post of
Constable general duty
Constable General Duty
and rifleman general duty
in the selection process held by
the CAPF, Central Armed Police Forces.
Central Armed Police Forces for the year
Well, this is examination is held by the Staff Selection Commission for the year 2024.
2024. Full stop.
Staff Selection Commission for the year 2000.
Staff Selection Commission is the authority who is conducting the selection process. Full stop. The selection process is presently on motion. Full stop. Referring to the medical report for the first petitioner, Mrinal Roy, bold namta, annexure P21, P2 at page 19 to the writ petition, Mr. Mominur Rahman, learned advocate, submits his height has been found to be 169.4 centimeters. Whereas the cutoff is 170 centimeters. Hence, on the first round of medical test, the first petitioner has been disqualified. First.
This is called physical standard test.
hence in the first round of physical standard test, bracket PST. No, physical standard examination বোধ হয়।
No, this is PST, standard test,
আচ্ছা, physical standard state,
or PET, physical eligibility test.
physical eligibility test, এটাই তো আমরা বলতাম, আমি তাই ভাবি।
PET, physical efficiency test, and physical, both are. First it will be PST, if the heights and all the measurements are there,
So this
then
is
efficiency test.
this is which stage?
This is PST,
আচ্ছা,
physical standard.
at the physical standard test, paragraph PST. The first petitioner immediately preferred an appeal following the terms and conditions of the selection process. Poster. Now, Mr. Mominur Rahman, now please listen to me. The decision in the appeal has not yet been communicated to the petitioner, but it is contended on behalf of the petitioner that somehow verbally petitioner has been informed that the appeal decision has also gone against him. Full stop. Paragraph. Mr. Rahman, learned counsel, then refers to annexure P3 at page 24 to the writ petition and submits that for the selection process in the previous year, first petitioner participated, and in the PST and at the PST level, his height was found to be 170.5. Didi, bold. And he was qualified at that juncture. First. Paragraph. Since the appellate decision has not yet been made available to the petitioner, and since the document at page 24 to the writ petition being the height, being the document relating to measurement of height of the first petitioner during the previous selection process, shows petitioner was qualified, comma. This court exercises its equitable jurisdiction, directing as follows: colon A. The appellate authority must and should communicate its decision in writing to the petitioner positively within 7 days from the communication of this order. Roman 2. The appropriate authority, in view of the consistency between the two documents at page 19 and 24 to the writ petition as discussed above, the appropriate authority of the
Staff selection.
SSC shall once again measure the height of the petitioner. Number one, first petitioner. নাম বলুন, মৃণাল রয়।
Mrinal Roy.
নামটা করে দিন, কারণ আগের পরের গুলো তো হবে না। মৃণাল রয়। And if in this examination the petitioner is found to be qualified, all consequential steps shall be taken by the appropriate authority of the SSC, taking the petitioner number, first petitioner, to be within the consideration zone insofar as height of the petitioner is concerned,
Grateful, Lord.
and the subsequent process shall follow in accordance with law. Paragraph. Insofar as the other four petitioners are concerned, page 20 to 202,
There's page 20, then
tier 2,
223.
223 shows their respective heights were measured and found to be
Less than 170.
less than 170 centimeter, and as such their candidatures have been disqualified. These four petitioners, four petitioners, being petitioner number 1 to petitioner number 2 to petitioner number 5, have also preferred appeal, but the appellate decisions are not communicated to them as yet, have not been communicated to them as yet. First paragraph. For these four petitioners, these four petitioners, however, did not participate in the previous selection process. So there is no such identical document in their favor as in page 24 to the writ petition, which is there for the first petitioner. Paragraph. In view of the above, the appellate authority is directed to communicate its decision in writing to petitioner number 2 to petitioner number 5 herein, positively within a week from the date of communication of this order. That's all. Paragraph. Since affidavits are not called for, this allegations made in this writ petition are deemed not to have been admitted by the respondents. Paragraph. With the above observations and directions, this writ petition WPA 1919 of 2025 stands disposed of, without any order as to costs. আচ্ছা একটা জিনিস বলুন তো, ফার্স্ট পিটিশনের ডিরেকশনটা একবার পড়ুন, ওটাই ভাইটাল। 1 and 2 রোমান না এবিসি যা বলেছেন পড়ুন তো।
From the communication of the sort. Number 2, in view of the consistency between the
Inconsistency.
Two documents at pages 19 and 24 of the petition as discussed above. The appropriate authority of the agency shall once again measure the height of the petitioner first, height of the first petitioner, Minal Roy, and if in this examination the petitioner is found to be qualified, all consequent steps shall be taken by the appropriate authority of the agency, taking the first petitioner to be within the consideration zone. Insofar as the height of the petitioner.
Insofar as থেকে বোল্ড করে দিন, height of the petitioner is concerned. ওইটা বোল্ড। হ্যাঁ ওই আর কি।
And the subsequent process shall follow in accordance with the.
হয়ে গেল। আচ্ছা তারপরেরটা
Insofar as.
ব্যাস আর ওটা দরকার নেই, ঠিক আছে। প্রথম পিটিশনের অর্ডারটা পেলে ওটা কেয়ারফুলি দেখা দরকার।
Server copies, my lord.
হ্যাঁ affidavit of service filed today, court in is. Thank
Grateful,
you,
Lord.
thank you.
Grateful. The Xerox করে।
Next.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, matter was dismissed for default on 1st of August 2025, my lord. Restoration application was filed, my lord, 28th of August 2025, within time, my lord.
Ashu. What's your name?
Chandan Roy.
Mr. Chandan Rai, learned advocate appears for the petitioner. Mr. Kumar Shantanu, learned advocate, bracketed VC, with Mr. Learned advocate appears for
Respondent
this
number 5.
paragraph. Acha, মাথার
No,
উপর-
my lord, respondent number 5.
আচ্ছা, respondent number 5. আর স্টেটের কে আছে? লিখুন, এটা মাথার উপর একদম। In Re Can 1 of 2025. Affidavit service? আচ্ছা, চলুন, হলো। দেখুন, this is an application for restoration of a writ petition. আর কিছু বলার দরকার নেই, বাকি সব আপনি জানেন। Dated, dismissed for default, dated August 1, 2025. Application has been taken out on August 28, 2025. দুটো ডেট বোল্ড, একই আলাদা।
Grateful, my lord.
Can 1 stands allowed without any ordinance to cause.
Deeply operated.
Next.
Not I am for the petition.
Lordship, may I seek leaves to appear physically, virtually, Lordship?
Yes, yes.
My lord,
Yes.
50. Item number 52.
What is the matter?
My lord, matters pertain to illegal encroachment. My lord, yesterday your lordship heard the matter, my lord. The land of the petitioner is locked from 3 other side, and my lord, land is beside the national highway. In the national highway, there is unauthorized construction by the private, by some person.
Show me the provision, section 26.
Lordship, section 26 of the 2. May I request my junior to hand over the copy of the act?
Yes.
Lordship, may I read?
Yes, yes.
When and as a result of the
My lord,
periodical
may I-
inspection
please
of
read
the
the
highways
copy.
land or otherwise, the highways administration or the different officer authorized by such administration in this behalf is satisfied that any unauthorized occupation has been taken place on highways land, the highways or administration
So
or
I'm
the
simply,
officer.
I'm simply disposing of, directing the appropriate authority to take steps in
Lordship,
accordance
Lordship.
with.
Lordship, we have already served 3 notices. We already requested the SP to provide police force, because without the help of the
My lord,
police, we
my
cannot.
lords, this is mere suppression of fact. This is suppression of fact. Whatever Miss Supriya Singh is stating is suppression of fact. My lord, I would request learned AGP to hand over the police report forwarded by
All right.
Superintendent of Police,
Yes,
my
yes,
lord.
he
Kindly
submitted
see, my
that,
lord,
he submitted
we have,
that police
we have
went,
provided,
the authority prevented.
yes, my lord, the Asian Highway Authority, Mr.
Absolutely,
Varun,
absolutely. You now
he
listen
is
to me.
instigating.
Sir,
He is
listen to
instigating
me,
the-
listen to me.
My
The
lord, my
court
lord, my lord.
dispute is that the unauthorized occupant should be removed,
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
following the due process of law.
Yes, Lordship.
That's all.
Yes,
Now,
Lordship.
who are the encroachers?
My lord, they are.
Three persons, Lordship.
Are
3
they,
individuals.
are
We
they
all.
parties in the writ petition?
No, Lordship.
No,
They are
my
not
lord.
parties.
No.
Very well. Madam, you now assist this court. Tell me the procedure. I will tell your officer. Wait. To serve issue once notice once more upon those encroachers. Then, in accordance with law, you have to circulate the notice, whatever is provided in the law.
Lordship,
And then-
Lordships, we have already submitted 3 notice issued, Lordship. And we ask for the police assistance, because without the police assistance, we cannot remove that unauthorized occupation, Lordship.
And their assistant engineer, Mr. Boron Mahato, he is instigating the unauthorized dwellers
Now, I
not
don't
to go
understand
remove,
how
not to go
these
from there.
submissions are material. All irrelevant submissions are made. thing is come to the core that unauthorized occupation has to be removed.
Yes,
That's
my
all. So why these irrelevant submissions are made? Who is Koron? Who is Boro? How does it matter? Now, Miss Madam, you listen to me, Madam.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, what I'm asking you, you tell me.
Yes.
I will direct one more notice to be served.
Yes, Lordship.
Right. Show me the provision of the act. Who shall do so?
Section 26 of 2, subsection
All
2.
right. So entire section 26 is the procedure laid down for removal of unauthorized occupation.
Yes.
Correct. 27 is recovery of removal of unauthorized occupation.
Yes, Lordship.
Recovery of cost of removal.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, Lordship.
So these are the two provisions relevant.
Yes, Lordship.
Correct. I will direct the project director
Yes, Lordship.
to carry out the exercise in strict terms of the law within
Yes,
a
Lordship.
time-bound program and remove
Lordship.
the encroachers.
Yes, Lordship.
This is the crux of the matter. Who
Yes,
is
Lordship.
Koron? Who is Boron? How does it material? How is it relevant?
My lord, the allegations she
Wait,
has brought
please.
forward.
Please,
that's it.
please, please. Ashun. Now all of you listen to my dictation carefully. If any factual correction, tell me.
Yes,
Right?
Lordship.
Okay.
Yes.
সবার অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স গুলো দিয়ে দেবেন, এবার লিখুন। The writ petitioner alleges encroachment on a portion of the which land? National Highway land.
Asian Highway 48, Lordship.
A portion of Asian Highway 48.
/48.
Asian Highway -48 land.
In front of the vacant land of the petition.
Full stop. Is that material, sir? Tell me.
No, Lordship.
No, not up to. Is that relevant?
Because on the
Even if it is not vacant, it is a DOBA. And if ultimately it is found encroachment of a highway land, is it not enough?
good, I approve.
Listen to me. No question of apology. You're done. But get matured with the time.
Good.
You're attaining seniority gradually. Listen to me.
Good.
কি বললাম? Poster. For short paragraph, a bracket for short, the said highway land. At the behest of the alleged encroachers who are still in wrongful occupation of the portion of the highway land as alleged. Full stop. MS Supriya Singh, learned counsel appearing for the Asian Highway 48, appearing for the said highway authority, submits that section 26 and 27 of the
Not I have another copy.
আপনি দেখুন অ্যাক্টের নামটা আমার দেখা হয়ে গেছে। It seems that today is the last day. ওকে ফেরত দিয়ে দিন। আরে এখানে এই ফর্মটা রেখে দিলাম, তো পড়বেই। কি বললাম? লিখে নিন, লিখুন। আইনটা উপর থেকে লিখে নিন, ওই বোল্ড লেখা আছে। ওটা বোল্ড করবে না এটা। For short, the said 2002 Act. কি বললাম পড়ো পড়ো। হ্যাঁ প্রথম হ্যাঁ হয়তো at the best of the who is the respondent, madam? Project director?
Number 3.
Respondent number 3 and 4.
No, give one who shall take all the necessary steps.
3.
কি বললাম? Deals with, for short such and such, deals with removal of unauthorized occupation. Post. Respondent number 3 is the appropriate and jurisdictional authority to carry out the entire exercise in terms of section 26 and 27 of the said 2002 Act. Post. In view of the above, the following directions are passed. এবার রোমান 1 রোমান 2 করে এগোবেন। হ্যাঁ নেক্সট মানে রোমান 1 রোমান 2 আমি আবার মেন প্যারাগ্রাফ হলে বলে দেবো, লিখুন। The respondent number 3 shall serve notice once again upon the alleged encroachers who are allegedly occupying the portion of the said highway land. Now, madam, you hear me carefully.
Yes, Lordship.
Wherever you find difficulty, you stop me.
Yes, Lordship.
কি বললাম? In accordance with law and by following the due process of law as provided under this said Act of 2022 and the relevant rules, if any, thereunder.
No, Lordship. 2002.
Any rule is there? Any rule?
The Act is 2002, but
Any rule is there?
no.
Very well. Post Act of 2002. And or any other connected rules if prescribed under this statute. Post paragraph. পড়ুন আরেকবার এটা কি বলেছি? নোটিস আরেকবার পড়ুন। হ্যাঁ ওর সঙ্গেই চলছে। The notice shall also be pasted on the conspicuous spaces and walls at the relevant alleged encroached portion. Poster. The said notice shall also mention the time and place for hearing to be granted to such alleged encroachers and the petitioners. How many petitioners?
Petitioner.
1. Petitioner. And the hearing shall be conducted by the respondent number 3. Madam, you tell me,
Yes, Lordship.
newspaper publication?
Yes, it can be.
Identical notice shall also be published. One in locally widely circulated newspaper in vernacular and one in English. Full stop. Next Roman, it is semicolon, Roman 2. On the date and time fixed, to be fixed in the said notice, the respondent number 3 shall conduct the hearing. Full stop. In the event any of the interested parties or encroachers, alleged encroachers, are not represented, the hearing shall continue. And the respondent number 3 then shall pass its reasoned order with a finding of alleged encroachment, on the finding of alleged encroachment. Full stop. Paragraph. To come to a specific finding, the respondent number 3, upon prior notice, shall also conduct a physical inquiry of the alleged encroachment.
Yes, Lordship.
On the portion of the highway land, and for this purpose, the local police authority, comma, if approached, comma, shall provide all necessary assistance to the respondent number 3. Next Roman. If the reasoned order confirms the encroachment on the highway land, the reasoned order then shall be served upon the petitioner and the alleged encroachers who shall participate, encroachers oblique interested parties who shall participate in the hearing. And the parties shall collect it at their own responsibility from the office of the respondent number 3. Right? Paragraph. Roman. This entire exercise shall be carried out positively within a period of 6 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Right?
Yes.
Paragraph. Roman. If the reasoned order confirms encroachment, then the respondent number 3 and or any other jurisdictional authority of the highway concerned shall take all necessary and consequential steps strictly following the procedures laid down under section 26 and 27
Yes, Lordship.
of the said 2002 Act. Read with the relevant rules, if any.
Highways Administration Rules 2004.
Read with the relevant rules, if any, including the Highways Administration Rule 2004, if applicable. Full stop. Paragraph. The respondent number 3 then shall take the necessary steps and shall remove the encroachment positively. But is there any appellate provision by the encroachers? Yes, madam?
No. In the apps, it's not there, Lordship. In the act, it's not there.
All right. Ki bollo?
Lordship, may I
Yes.
suggest one? With the help of the local police, because without
Of course, that comes
This-
must. But
Okay,
I am
okay.
asking, any appellate provision is
No,
there?
no,
All
Lordship.
right. Ki bollam? Positively, following the due process of law, but within 1 month from the date of the said reasoned order to be passed. Paragraph. At the time of removal of encroachment, comma, if any, the respondent number 3 shall be entitled to seek police assistance from the local police authority and or the district police. And in such event, the relevant police authority / authorities shall provide all necessary assistance for removal of encroachment with expeditiously. Right? Right?
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Yes.
This any further thing?
No. Everything is covered, Lordship.
Full stop. Yes, Mr. Shah, any further? Ashu. The petitioner shall also serve a copy of this order upon the respondent number 3 and also the local police authority and who is the higher authority? Police?
Superintendent of Police, Jalpaiguri District.
And the superintendent of police, Jalpaiguri, for their notice and perusal. For his notice and perusal. ठीक আছে. Paragraph.
Deeply obliged.
It's all right.
Yes, Lordship.
So Mr. Karan, Mr. Dharan, they are no more important.
No.
And whether the land is vacant or pond, no more important.
No.
All right. Paragraph. Since affidavits are not called for, give all your appearances.
Yes, Lordship.
Affidavits are not called for. The allegations made in this writ petition are deemed not to have been admitted by the respondents. Paragraph. With the above observations and directions, ফেরত দিয়ে দিন না এটা রেখে দিন আপনার লাগবে ছাপতে লাগবে I'm keeping it.
My lord, I have it.
With the above observations and directions, this writ petition WPA 1899 of 2025 stands disposed of, without any order as to cost.
Grateful, Lordship.
মাথার উপর
Deeply obliged.
এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন। All right?
Yes,
Everything
yes.
covered?
Deeply obliged.
Yes, everything covered, Lordship. Grateful, Lordship.
Grow up. Doesn't matter whether vacant land, pond, how does it matter? Thank you.
Item 51,
Yes, next.
51, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
I did prepare for this.
Item
is the matter?
51, my lord, transfer
It's a
matter,
general transfer.
already. Yes, my lord.
I am for the board, Lordship.
No, medical ground, not general transfer, self-medical grounds.
Who appears for whom?
I am for the board led by Mr. Vishwas, Lordship.
এটা ঠিকই আছে নাম স্টেট
Give your name, write down.
মুছে দে
And Ratul Bishwas for state.
Board
না
lordship,
না
no.
Board,
রাতুল
board.
বিশ্বাস ফর বোর্ড লিখেছে ফর স্টেট
Vedasruti Bose and Shondip Kaur. Lordship already it was written. মুছে দে নামটা। পেন দিয়ে লিখে দেবো? হ্যাঁ পেন দে না, পেন্সিল দিয়ে কাজ লাগলো। দেখিয়ে দে তাহলে, কেটে দিচ্ছিস তুই নামটা। সার্ভিস।
নেক্সট
Gate police.
Tanuka Basu will be appearing virtually.
what is the matter about?
Lordship, the matter is about.
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner. My lord, my petitioner is carrying out a business of gold
Lordship, I beg to appeal
consignment.
to the state.
Hello, may I submit?
Yes, yes.
My lord, the petitioner is carrying out a business of
I
transmitting
can't hear
gold
you
from one
properly.
state-
Your voice is not clear.
My lord, am I audible?
Yes, now you're fine.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is involved in interstate trade of coal consignment. My lord, in this matter, the petitioner's coal consignment.
Show me P10, which page?
My lord, P10 is in page number 74.
Who is the authority to consider?
Lordship,
My lord, the police officer, my lord, the authority is ST Alipurduar. And,
Respondent number.
Oh, respondent number is. My lord, respondent number 6 is the superintendent of police. Respondent number 5 is the inspector general of police.
Who
Respondent
shall
number 4 is the
consider,
Director
madam? Who
General of
shall
Police.
consider? Any one respondent.
No, the officer in charge is responsible for the entire fallacy. My lord, above the officer in charge, the SP is sitting, my lord. The SP is respondent number 6, who is the superintendent of police, Kuch Bihar.
All right, wait.
My lord, may I?
Yes. Yes, madam.
My lord, may I show the annexure number P7, which is the email communication made right after the seizure of the vehicle along with the coal consignment, which is in page number 46.
What is that?
My lord, the seizure was done on 9th of October, my lord.
So Caesar, I'm not going to take cognizance. Caesar, I'm
My
not
lord,
going to take.
My lord, cognizance was taken by the police, FIR was
Lordship,
lodged,
his
and thereafter
petition is
they
not
have passed the
maintainable,
report, my lord.
Lordship,
I will hear you. Yes, because your first prayer is for consideration of a representation.
Of the representation, my lord.
Right?
Which is
Second prayers are all in support of that. There is
Yes,
no
my lord.
question of any Caesar or any challenge to the Caesar.
My lord, this is the background why the seizure has
That's
happened.
all right. That's all right. Please wait. Now wait. Let me hear the state. Yes.
Lordship, kindly come to page 61 first.
What is your kindly tell me what do you want?
Lordship, actually this petition is not maintainable as because Lordship in page 61, earlier occasion they have filed a writ petition, Lordship.
Show me. 61?
Lordship, 61 onwards, Lordship. Lordship, their grievances was that on that petition that the police authority has been wrongfully detained their vehicle along with the coal.
Right, Caesar.
Lordship.
Wrongful Caesar.
Lordship.
Right.
So our submission is that on that writ petition, Lordship.
What was the order passed, madam?
Lordship, in order was passed that I am showing you the relevant portion, Lordship.
At page 62.
52, Lordship, in the last portion.
Taking note.
Lordship.
Read on.
Taking note on the submission made on behalf of the petitioner relying upon the apposite documents vice filed by the officer in charge, Boxirhat Police Station, Kuch Bihar, dated so and so. Court grants leave to petitioner to produce these documents which are annexed to this writ petition and other relevant documents in the original before the investigation officer by 7 days from date. On scrutiny of those original documents, If investigation officer finds that these are correct documents, the said investigation officer shall be at a leave to release the vehicle, Lordship. Along with call subject to filing appropriate report in connection with the criminal proceeding.
What was the result thereat?
We have released the vehicle,
My lord,
Lordship.
there are,
Release the
my
vehicle.
lord,
Lordship, we have released the
yes,
vehicle.
my lord,
Initially, when we
which
have
was
registered
after
the
another
vehicle,
month.
on being asked to produce the relevant documents regarding
Now
the
they have produced in terms of this order, you have released.
Yes, Lordship. So there is a
My
direction
lord,
we
after
comply
1
the order,
month,
Lordship, after verifying all the documents
One
and all.
second. Yes, then
Now they have filed this writ petition regarding the compensation of the coal and all, everything, and also getting the allow them
show
to
me the letter. You are asking for representative
my
consideration.
lord, 74, my
Lordship,
lord.
they are seeking the permission that police will not restrain him any manner, that and they will free to move everywhere, Lordship.
Free
Well,
with
because
the coal.
Yes, Lordship. We will not check the
my lord,
documents and all.
interstate
This is their
trade
main intent.
is a part of union list, not the
Very well,
duty
very well.
paid.
Let me see the in page 74. What is your grievance, madam, in this
My
representation?
lord, my grievance is, my lord, as soon as the coal
No, in
was
the you
sold
take
along
me
with
through you take me through the letter and tell me. Place the
yes, my
letter.
lord. My lord, in my letter, I have already said that via a mail communication, right after the seizure happened, I have communicated that all the seizure was that the vehicle was completely following all the SOP, as in the standard operating procedure. They have submitted all the documents.
What you have stated, I have read. You tell me, you take me to the relevant paragraph. What is your claim under the representation?
Yes, my lord. My lord, in paragraph number
To the
4,
relevant paragraph.
my lord, page 75 in para number 4, I have stated that because of the FIR, the officials of your police station, after unlawfully jailing the vehicle and goods, failed to preserve the coal in proper manner. The coal in 3-4 months of detention became waterlogged and unusable to a point. It became worthless, and my client has been suffering huge financial losses in the process. That further, the vehicle under detention was also damaged, for which my client had to bear huge financial burden towards its repair. That my client is unable to continue his business as his initial investment got completely exhausted to legally get his vehicle back from the illegal detention from the detainer through court. Even transporters are no longer willing to give their vehicle for his company's consignment anymore due to such illegal detention, causing huge financial loss. Due to all this, my client suffered immense mental breakdown and physical harassment, caused immense health complications as well as extreme financial crisis.
Yes.
My lord, my client has lost a sum of
Is this
about
maintainable?
12 lakhs.
Is this maintainable, madam?
My lord, because if there is some illegal detention, my lord, and when even after getting all the papers, if they
This
have
is not a
procured
maintainable
the
writ
coal,
at all.
my
The
lord,
writ is
my
not
lord, we are
maintainable. If you have grievance, you can ventilate before appropriate jurisdictional forum.
my lord, this is the appropriate jurisdiction, my lord, because
Backdrop of this matter, before coming to the writ court earlier, we submitted with all the documents.
Sir, very short point. You have claimed compensation. Is it maintainable before the police authority? If you say yes, show me the law, I'll do it.
My lord, this particular writ, I take leave that this is based on doctrine of.
All right.
my lord, kindly allows them to file affidavits in the matter. I shall
No,
come with all the
this is not
law,
at
my
all a
lord.
maintainable writ at all.
My lord, if I am suffering for somebody else, some authorities, then
Yes,
they are liable to take compensation, my lord.
I will observe that you have, if you have remedy, you pursue a remedy before the available lawful
My lord, I
forum.
have remedy before the writ court, my lord. No, other
Sorry, no.
authority.
You don't have remedy before the writ court. Sorry.
My lord, kindly gives us some time to come with the proper judgments, my lord.
No.
My lord, there are judgments where I am entitled to compensation for
No,
the
you
wrong.
are entitled to compensation, but not by this way. This is not the forum. This is not the way. How will you substantiate? Who shall prove that yes, you have suffered loss of 12 lakhs and not 8 lakhs and not 20 lakhs?
My lord, let them decide, my lord. If
They
the court was
cannot. They
with them,
cannot be
they
the
can also
authority.
decide.
That's
They
what
can
I'm
appoint.
saying. That's what I'm saying. They cannot be the authority, neither the writ court. You approach before the civil court. You apply
My
before
lord,
the civil
civil
court.
court shall not interfere in this matter, my lord.
No,
My lord,
madam.
because
No,
this is
madam.
a state
Nothing.
authority, my lord. My lord,
Ashu.
even the Secretary Department of Industry, Commerce and Enterprise, they have the authority to check whether I am at all entitled to the compensation. My lord, let them
Yes,
submit a report to that
that's
effect.
not the writ forum. That is not the forum. Writ is not the forum. That's what I'm saying. I'm not making any comment on your claim. I'm not making any observation on your merit of the claim. That I will make it clear. But writ court is not the forum. This letter is not the a way to ventilate your grievance. Even if you go and file a civil suit.
My lord, the civil suit I cannot file against the state authorities, my lord, without
Why?
seeking permission.
Why?
80 is their lordship.
My lord, I have to
Section
seek
94,
permission again.
why? Section 80?
80
Why?
My lord, kindly let them file a report, my lord.
Ashu. This is absolutely a frivolous litigation. I will hold that.
My lord, he has been suffering since October 2024. And the cold was written, they have even taken a
No, I
month-long
don't
time even after
disagree.
passing of the order.
I don't disagree to your merit. I will observe that. I am not making any comment on the merit, madam. But where is your forum? You must apply before the appropriate jurisdictional forum. I
My lord,
don't
the
say
writ
you
court has
don't have
enough
any
powers
merit.
to.
Ashu.
My lord, the writ court has the power
The
to.
writ petition, this is the second round of writ petition, writ litigation arising out of the grievance which has already been redressed in the first writ petition and by a coordinate bench by its order dated December 23, 2024, annexure P8 at page 61 to the writ petition. By a coordinate bench by its order dated such and such in WPA 2569 of 2024, annexure P8 at page 69 to the writ petition.
My lord, if I may indicate, I have not sought for relief of compensation in the earlier writ petition. My lord,
I'm
because
coming.
at the time
Full
I was
stop.
not aware of the damage of
Paragraph.
coal.
Pursuant to the said order of the coordinate bench, December 23, 2024, the seized coal has been released by the police authority and the petitioner had received the same. Post. Paragraph. The petitioner then submitted a representation dated July 15, 2025, annexure P10 at page 74 to the writ petition through its learned advocate and claims compensation from the police authority. Paragraph. The relevant extracts from the said demand notice is reproduced below. Page 75, paragraph 4 to 7. Quote. One. Paragraph. To the instant writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for the following reliefs. Quote prayer A to prayer D. From page 23 to the writ petition. Quote 2. Full stop. Paragraph. MS, Madam, MS. Tonuka Basu, learned advocate, appearing for the petitioner, submits that due to the alleged unlawful seizure of coal, which was ultimately released by the police
Along with the
authority,
vehicle.
along with the vehicle, with the unlawful seizure of coal along with the concerned vehicle, seized by the police authority, but ultimately released by the police authority pursuant to the direction of the coordinate bench dated December 23, 2024. কি বললাম পড়ুন? শুরুটা কিভাবে করেছে? Virtually, appearing for the petitioner virtually. বাস ঠিক আছে, লাস্টে যেখানে শেষ করেছি কমা, the petitioner has suffered huge business loss as mentioned in the said justice demand dated July 15, 2025, comma, already quoted above. Full stop. The petitioner seeks to enforce the said claim for compensation arising out of said claim for alleged compensation arising out of the alleged damages, arising out of the damages allegedly suffered by the petitioner through this writ petition. Full stop. Paragraph. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that a writ petition is maintainable for awarding damages and compensation.
My lord, I have also produced the bills that have been paid for the damages. My lord, for purchasing the coal and for repair of the damage.
Relying upon the bills and other documents appended to the writ petition, which are also produced before the police authority, submits that the sufficient evidence are there to come to a conclusive finding that the petitioners have suffered damages, and hence the compensation claim in the said justice demand is just and lawful, and the same shall be paid. Right? What else? What else? Anything else, madam?
My lord, kindly let them consider those bills at least, my lord, and submit a
The
report.
petitioner accordingly prays for consideration of those bills by the police authority and to pay compensation. Right?
Yes, my lord.
All right. MS Bedosruti Bose, learned counsel appearing for. Yes, madam, sir, you want to say something?
None, my lord.
Now, if I have missed something, you can supplement.
Factual, but of course, my lord.
Next, MS Bedosruti Bose, learned state counsel, you are appearing with?
My lord,
No. Anybody leading you?
Yes, Mr. Pritam Das.
Mr. Bedosruti Bose, Learned Counsel, led by Mr.
my lord,
Pritam
also the,
Das.
and also the email that have been sent right after seizure of the vehicle, my lord, which is in P7.
All right. ওখানে কি বললাম আরেকটা প্যারাগ্রাফ
Where
ওখানে
all the
বলা আরেকটা
documents
সেন্টেন্স
were
লিখে
also
দিন
submitted
in
prior
support of her
to
claim
the writ petition.
MS Basu, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has also relied upon an email at page 46.
Page number 46. P7.
46 to the writ petition.
46 to 48.
46 to 48 to the writ petition.
No, my lord, 46 to 60, because there were annexures of all the documents, all the relevant documents regarding the coal consignment, which includes the transit pass, e-way bill as per the
Yes.
standard operating procedure.
Next. It's all mentioned there. I've
But
taken-
Lordship,
I've-
there is no 46 page in my writ petition, Lordship.
We have.
Annex of P7.
Oh, Lordship, yes, it is there, sorry.
Annex of
I-
P7.
চল, তারপর কি? Submits
The email dated 22nd
that this writ
October
petition is
2024.
not maintainable, claiming compensation and damages against the police authority. The disputes raised by the petitioner for claiming compensation is purely civil and requires a detailed fact-finding inquiry. Post up. In any event, prayer B to the writ petition cannot be allowed because of the fact if in the event any unlawful activity is carried out by the petitioner while transmitting coal without due process of law, then the police authority who is otherwise empowered in law to seize the vehicle and the articles therein cannot be prohibited to do so.
My lord, interstate trade falls under the union list, my lord. The state does not have any power. They have exceeded their jurisdiction, my lord.
Yes. That exceeding jurisdiction has already been adjudicated by you in the previous writ petition. Full stop. While it was seized and released. কি বললাম? Next. Next. Anything further, madam?
No, Lordship.
Paragraph. After considering the rival contentions of the parties and upon perusal of the materials on record, this court first reiterates the law settled on the issue. Paragraph. The settled proposition is that when a claim is disputed or when a money claim is disputed or when a money claim, be it in the nature of compensation or damages or otherwise, involves disputed question of facts and requires to be proved in a properly constituted trial, such disputed questions on money claim should not be entertained by this constitutional court in exercising its summary power under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. There is no doubt that the writ court, in exercise of its equitable jurisdiction, can even award compensation to an affected party. But that equitable jurisdiction has to be used judiciously, depending upon the facts and circumstance of the case. Full stop. Every case differs on its respective fact. On perusal of the justice demand, as quoted above, it appears to this court that the petitioner has claimed compensation / damages against the police authority. Full stop. The documents relied upon by the petitioners in support of its claim are also required to be proved for such purpose. For which writ court is not the forum. Tribal issues are involved, which cannot be adjudicated by a writ court. Full stop. Without ascertaining the correctness of the claim of the petitioner upon proper adjudication, the police authority is not clothed with the jurisdiction to consider the claim for damages or compensation allegedly suffered by the petitioner as claimed in its said justice demand dated July 15, 2025. Post paragraph. The claim as raised by the petitioner is not an admitted claim on which a writ court can exercise its equitable jurisdiction. But in view of the foregoing reasons and discussions, in view of the foregoing reasons and discussions, this court is of the firm and considered opinion that this writ petition is totally devoid of any merit and should be dismissed. Paragraph. Accordingly, this writ petition bold WPA 1912 of 2025 stands dismissed, without any order as to costs. Paragraph. However, it is made clear that this court has not gone into the merits of the claim of the petitioner or the rival claims of the respondents, if any thereto. Full stop. Dismissal of this writ petition shall not preclude the petitioner to institute a properly constituted civil proceeding before the appropriate jurisdictional civil forum, in accordance with law, and if the petitioner is otherwise found to be eligible for the same, in accordance with law. Full stop. Paragraph. In the event such a civil proceeding is instituted, the parties shall be at liberty to urge whatever points they wish to urge therein. If the event such is instituted, all points shall be kept open for the parties to urge. That's all. And মাথার উপর একটা dismissal এর আগে, since affidavits are not called for, The allegations made in this writ petition are deemed not to have been admitted by the respondents. Sorry, madam. Better in the next time. Better in the next case. In a better case. Next time. Yes.
Lordship, kindly fix the matter in the next circuit item.
Passed over. Next.
Lordship, I represent stateless matter.
Okay, I'm praying for next circuit.
Lordship, I'm appealing for the board of secondary.
Praying for next circuit, Lordship.
You are for
Petitioner.
petition. না কি একটা বললো 54 ট্রান্সফার ম্যাটার
This is a transfer.
I'm praying for next circuit.
বুঝে গেছে